Hey there, let's see how you can create a WhatsApp channel on your iPhone or Android. For that, first you have to open up your WhatsApp. Next, go to the Updates tab at the bottom. Now, depending on your device, on iPhone, press the three dot icon in the top left corner. And on your Android, you will find it in the top right corner. And now from the menu, select Create Channel, then go ahead and hit Continue. Now it's time to name your channel. You can also add a profile picture if you had like. Just choose an image from your gallery or take one on the spot. Once you're ready, hit create channel and just like that you are all set. From here you can add a channel description, copy and share your channel link, post it to your WhatsApp status for more reach. You can also go to your channel name and customize your channel by your own preference. Isn't it really easy? I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.